What are you up to, eh?
I had a WR125R in the 1990s. 1990s, kids.
Quite a steep hill back there.
Yeah, I wondered, and of course, because you have to go down the tree, you have to slow right down. I was wondering whether she had the legs to...
Trying to get me wet. Steep hill for this poor little bike. I don't know whether the Yamaha R&D team, the people that develop these bikes, put it through this kind of stuff, but if they don't, they should.
It's not the most powerful and exciting engine, but it shouldn't be. You know, it's a 125. It's supposed to welcome in newcomers, it's supposed to welcome in learners, it's supposed to welcome in 16, 17 year olds, 18 year olds. You need a bike like this at this point at the first rung of the ladder to welcome people in and go, so they can gain confidence and gain experience and gain the kind of the off-road skills to be able to then move on and go further.